Hey, what is up, ladies and gents? My name is Prashil, and welcome to ATE, the home of everything art and tech. And today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. Now, I will say this, that I am pretty excited for this particular unboxing, because if you don't already know, the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G is actually a great mid-range phone for those who want a decent camera, decent specs, as well as 5G connectivity as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. And so just from the front of this box, you can see that this is the blue color A52 and 5G. All right, so switching back, you can see that there is some sponsored content from the network provider. They've got a bit of a freebie if you text this code to this particular number. So yeah, looking at the bottom of the box, you've got the model number and the color, which is awesome blue. Wow, I didn't think that I would actually name it that, but yeah, it's awesome blue in 128 gigabytes. So yeah, model number, just the storage capacity and the color, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, nothing really, I mean, I guess a few more specs up here. Yeah, 5G, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigs of storage in awesome blue, 120 hertz OLED display, IP67, water and dust resistant, and you're rocking a Snapdragon 750G, and yeah, 2-year warranty. And that is pretty much it. All right, now let's get into the actual box itself. So I've got my trusty knife here, and yeah, let's start getting into this. Actually, we'll set this aside over here. And there you have it. Samsung logo here with some manuals and other documents. And here's the device itself. All right, so here it is. You've got the phone itself, the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G, and the Infinity O display, which is just another fancy term of explaining that the camera cutout is actually just in the middle, nothing more, nothing less. You've got a quad camera setup with 64 megapixels with optical image stabilization, very nice. IP67, water and dust resistance. So before we get into that, let's have a look at the manuals. If I can get it out. And let's have a look. Okay, I kind of wrecked that over there. But yeah, you've just got some pretty straightforward manuals. You've got your SIM ejector tool here, and pretty much nothing else, just a manual, the quick start guide. You know, this is pretty stock standard. I'm pretty sure we've done this enough times to know that. So let's set this aside and let's get to the phone itself. And you just pull this tab here. And yeah, there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy A52 5G in awesome blue. Let's see if I can just... Hold up. Okay, there's the tab. I think... Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. They make this a lot more difficult than it should be. Honestly. And there you go. The A52 in all its glory. And yeah, all you have here is just a Samsung logo with, I guess, the model number here. And that's pretty much it. One thing I am happy about is that they've actually kept the charging brick, which is very nice, because let's be honest, you know, people want the charging brick and they want the charging cables and they want all of that stuff. So I am glad that they do keep the charging brick in the box as well as the charging cable. And yeah, but it looks like there's really nothing else there. I'm not expecting... Okay, well, all right, so it does have a headphone jack, but there are no headphones included, which is kind of a shame because... Wow, that's actually interesting, because for a mid-range phone, you know, and for the people you're targeting, you'd think that they'd actually include headphones. I mean, it does have a headphone jack, but it actually doesn't. So that is one thing that you have to think about, but pretty sure most of us have headphones already, so not really a big issue. And yeah, just for some quick comparison, the Redmi Note 9 Pro that I actually unboxed and reviewed in a previous video actually came not only with a charging brick, cable, and headphones, it also came with a free complimentary case, which, you know, it wasn't the best case, but it did offer the complete package and at a really good price point. You know, this being a little bit more expensive than that, you'd think that they'd actually have the headphones included, but no. You do get a pre-applied screen protector, and yeah, as you can see, I've already pretty much wrecked the screen with my fingerprints and my clammy hands, but yeah, it is what it is. Let's turn this on and see how it goes. There you go, you've got the Samsung, classic Samsung logo, Galaxy, secured by Knox, powered by Android. And I will say, yeah, I like this matte kind of finish. It doesn't show fingerprints, you know, nowhere near as much as on the flagships, which are just that kind of gloss color instead of this matte. So I do appreciate that. Cool, there you go. Sell all my data to the devil. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's skip that for the time being. And I will say it actually does feel kind of nice in the hand. And honestly, that's mainly due to these, I'm guessing, aluminum bezels, which are really nice. I mean, you know, it is plastic at the back. Don't get it messed up. It is plastic, but you know what? I don't think that's too much of an issue, especially at the price point. And, you know, compared to my iPhone, which is, you know, made out of glass and got stainless steel bezels and all that stuff, it is quite hefty. I mean, this phone is actually got a bigger form factor than my iPhone, but this feels really nice and light, which is something you tend to miss. I mean, yeah, the iPhone does feel more substantial in your hand, but I don't know. Something about a nice light phone just makes it easier to carry, I guess. But yeah, it's all here and it's, you know, nice and snappy. You've got that 120 hertz display, which is, honestly, it makes it feel even quicker. I mean, yeah, this is not the fastest processor, but that 120 hertz display and this OLED display is just absolutely stunning. I mean, you can probably already tell from the actual footage that the viewing angles are actually pretty decent. So yeah, there you have it. This has been the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. And yeah, I absolutely cannot wait to test this phone out, put it through its paces, and see what it's like to use on a day-to-day basis. And yeah, if you'd like to see my review of the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned, that video will be coming out. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.